Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are at Dollar General and we are about to do something that we have not done in a long time, and that is an all digital $5 challenge. So if this is your first time tuning in, I want to tell you a little bit about the $5 challenge and why I love it when it's all digital. So these are super easy challenges that you can do any day of the week. You do not have to wait until Saturday. All you have to do is download the same digital coupons that I am going to use today and then enter your phone number at the register. Your coupons come off and you get to enjoy these savings 7 days a week. So what I'm going to do in my $5 challenge is I am going to start off with some Arm & Hammer detergent. So you can grab any of the varieties of Arm & Hammer that are included at $4.95. So they're on sale, the regular $5. They're on sale for $4.95. And we have a $2 digital coupon. So I'm going to grab one of these to get our challenge started. I'm going to get this one with 50% more right here, and it is going to be $2.95. The next item we're going to grab is one of these Puffs Plus Lotion facial tissues. So these are $1.60, but we are going to use our 75% off digital coupon that makes them just 85 cents. The music is super loud in this store, so I'm going to tell you about the next items from over here away from the speakers because ain't nobody got time for a copyright. So what I'm going to grab next is one of these Crest Toothpaste. So these are $2 and we have a $2 digital coupon that is attaching to these, making these absolutely free. So this will be the next item in our deal. Then the next thing we're going to grab is 2 bottles of Ivory body wash. So these are $1.25 at my store. At some stores they may be $1.50, but they're $1.25 at my store, and we have a $2 off of 2 digital coupon that is glitching on these, making these just 25 cents a bottle, which is a great deal. And we are also going to grab a Mucinex. So the Mucinex is $5.50, and we have a $5 digital coupon that works on this product. And we also have a $5 paper coupon from this weekend's Smart Source that is also working on this product as well. So use whichever you prefer. I'm going to be using the digital coupon today. That makes this only 50 cents, which is a great deal. On the medicine that you're picking up, make sure that you always check the expiration date to make sure that that medicine is not expired, because in the dollar stores they can sit around a little bit longer. The next item I wanted to grab is not in stock, but make sure that you check for it at your store. So we still have that $2 off of 2 Jif coupon that is attaching to these $1 Jif to go packs. You can find them in your $1 food section if your store does carry them. Another item that would be good to grab in your $5 challenge is some Centrum Vitamins. So these energy vitamins that are $5, we have a $4 digital coupon, making them only $1. That is a great price, but I'd rather incorporate that into a 5 off of 25, so I'm going to pass today. The next thing we're going to grab in our $5 challenge is 2 packages of these Tasty Cake Honey Buns. So these are $1.75 regular price. This deal would be 50 cents cheaper if I was to do it with 2 packs of these pecan rolls instead, but I would prefer to have the honey bun, so I'm going to pay $0.25 more per package. So these are on sale. Dollar General is running a sale where if you buy 2, you will save 50 cents. So 2 of them will cost us $3. But then we're going to redeem back on Ibotta for $1 for each package, making them only 50 cents per box. So we're going to pay $3 today, but we're going to get $2 in cash back from Ibotta. All right, you guys, so this is my complete $5 challenge for today. I have one of the Mucinex at $5.50. We're going to use our $5 digital coupon. I have a Puffs Plus Lotion that is $1.60. We're going to use our 75-cent digital coupon. I have 2 of the Ivory at $1.25 each. We're going to use the 2 off of 2 digital coupon. I have a Crest Toothpaste for $2. $2 digital coupon. We have an Arm & Hammer detergent, 75 ounces, $4.95. We're going to use a $2 digital coupon. And then I have 2 of the Tasty Cakes. We do not have a coupon today, but we're going to redeem back on Ibotta for $2 for both of those. So at the register today, we are going to pay $7.80, but we should get $2 in cash back with Ibotta. If you have not signed up for Ibotta, it is a great way to save with no paper coupons required. I will have my link to sign up in the description box. So after we get our $2 in cash back, this should only total as $5.80 for all of these items, which I think is an amazing deal. So let's go up to the front and check out and see how everything works.
Woke up this morning feeling different. I heard my angels tell me listen, yeah. Let it go and stop pretending. See, I was sent here on a mission, and I ain't asking for permission, no. I'll let it go and stop pretending. I'll let it go. Yes, I'll let it go. So I can get that money. Woo. Yeah. Money.
All right, you guys, so as you saw, that went well. I just stopped by another Dollar General and picked up some more bottles of the Ivory so I could get stocked up on those. If you don't want to do this whole deal and you're just interested in the Ivory body wash, then you can do that. So here's what the receipt looks like when you just get 2 of the Ivory body wash. It's just 50 cents, total savings of $2, and you can just do a few of those Ivory transactions if you do have more than one account. But here's our receipt for the $5 challenge. So there is the Arm & Hammer $4.95 $2 coupon. The Crest was free with our $2 coupon. There's our 2 honey buns. You saw the 25-cent discount on each one of those. And then there's our Mucinex $5.50 with the $5 coupon. Our Puffs $1.60 with the 75-cent coupon. And then our 2 body wash. Subtotal came up to $7.80. But then I just submitted back on Ibotta right here in the car for $2 in cash back. So that will bring our total down to just $5.80. And remember, if you do pick up some of the cheaper Tasty Cake products, then your total will be even cheaper than mine. But I went a little bit more expensive, which is why my total was $5.80 instead of $5.30. And it does include a variety of the Tasty Cake products. So if you prefer something else other than the honey buns, you can grab those items as well. So I hope this all digital $5 challenge was helpful for you all. If it was, please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you as a part of my coupon family. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. And as always, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.